Hi friends, it's Emma here. Today we are going to draw a very special staircase.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a there.
Look,
everywhere.
under the stairs there's a little door that leads to a secret room. I wonder what's inside. Next, I'm drawing the steps going up and down. It's super quick, so keep watching.
Here and a there, here a there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Don't forget to hit like and subscribe so I can make more fun videos for you. Alright, let's outline everything to make the lines nice and clear. Perfect! Now my favorite part, coloring time. Red. I'll start with red for the top landing.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there,
Orange.
here,
Then orange, shining like the warm sun.
farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Yellow.
And on his farm
Next is bright yellow,
E-I-E-I-O.
lighting up the whole staircase.
There, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm,
Green.
E-I-E-I-O.
Then green,
Old MacDonald
fresh like spring grass. Blue. After that is cool blue. Oh, there's a calico cat sleeping soundly on the landing. Purple. Then magical purple. Pink. And finally sweet pink at the end of this row. But we're not done yet. We'll repeat the colors again starting from red. Red. Orange. Yellow. Green. Blue. The staircase now looks like a glowing rainbow. The steps are complete, so let's color the wall underneath. yellow. I'll choose a light color so the stairs stand out more. Done! Look, a rhino is running quickly down the steps. I'm so happy to draw with you today. See you in the next video.